In the gaseous reaction 2A plus B forming A2B, delta G is equal to 1200 calories at 227 degrees centigrade. What total pressure would be necessary to produce 60% conversion of B into A2B when 2:1 mixture is used? The balanced equation had 2A plus B forming A2B. Now initially A and B are taken in 2:1 ratio and 60% of B converts to A2B. So agar out of 100 60 moles of B is converting into A2B, then out of 1 60 by 100, that is 0.6 moles of B will convert into A2B. Now according to the balanced equation, 1 mole of B reacts with 2 moles of A. So alpha moles of B will react with 2 alpha moles of A to form alpha moles of A2B. So at equilibrium, amount of A to B is alpha, amount of B is 1 minus alpha, this is the remaining amount of B, and amount of A remaining is 2 minus 2 alpha because initially amount of A was 2 moles. Now putting the value of alpha equals to 0.6, the equilibrium concentration of A to B is 0.6, B is 0.4, that is 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4, and equilibrium concentration of A is 0.8. 2 minus 2 into 0.6 is equal to 0.8. Now we have to calculate the value of K or value of Kp for this equation. So value of Kp will be equal to delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. Value of delta G is given as 1200 calories. Value of R in calories is 2. Temperature is given as 227 degrees centigrade, which in Kelvin will be 500 Kelvin. Solving, log K is equal to minus 0.52 and taking anti-log, the value of K is 0.3. So value of Kp is 0.3. Now Kp is also equal to partial pressure of the product divided by partial pressure of the reactant. Now on the product side we have A to B. Partial pressure of A to B is equal to mole fraction of A to B. Now mole fraction of A to B will be moles of A to B at equilibrium, that is 0.6, divided by total number of moles at equilibrium, which is 1.8. Now total number of moles at equilibrium, is equal to 0.8 plus 0.4 plus 0.6. This is moles of A remaining A, this is moles of B remaining at equilibrium, and this is the moles of A to B formed. So this is equal to 1.8. Total number of moles at equilibrium is 1.8. So moles of A divided by total number of moles at equilibrium into total pressure. This is the partial pressure of A to B divided by partial pressure of A raised to the power 2. Partial pressure of A is moles of A at equilibrium divided by total number of moles into total pressure into partial pressure of B. Partial pressure of B is moles of B, that is 0.4, divided by total number of moles, that is 1.8, into total pressure. Now this is equal to 0.3. Solving, the value of total pressure is equal to 5.03 atmosphere.